If you crave nature's symphony and love spotting rare birds, then Bwindi is your ultimate destination. Get ready to explore. Welcome to Bwindi Impenetrable National Park, Uganda. Nestled in this lush forest canopy are over 350 bird species, including the dazzling great blue turaco and black-billed turaco. Fancy a walk? The Munyaga River Trail offers prime birdwatching spots that'll leave you in awe. Discover 23 endemic species like the blue-headed sunbird, Grower's warbler, and the African green broadbill. Each bird a unique gem. Explore the diverse habitats of Ruhaija sector and Bwindi swamp, where every altitude brings new surprises. End your adventure spotting rare species with fellow happy birdwatchers. Your birdwatching adventure awaits in Bwindi. Visit us today.